Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's session I'm going to discuss important job ready skills for a Java software developer. You are from Java background. What are the skills you should be know? And I'm giving the total overview in this session, guys. Are you learning Java? But okay, you confused what companies actually expect from developer guys. Okay, if you are aiming to get your first job or you want to switch to a Java developer role, this video is checklist for your become job ready guys. Okay, in this video I will walk you through 9 essential skill areas for every Java developer must master, including core Java, Spring Boot, database, design patterns, DevOps, and front end. If you are targeting full stack roles as well, guys. Okay, so I taken couple of skill areas so that you will get some idea what you are missing as part of your learning journey, which tools you are missing, which skills you need to upgrade. Okay, in technical rounds you may have minimum 2 to 3 rounds if you are attending an interview, right? Like tech 1, tech 2, and then managerial. So all these skills will be combined. So tech 1, what are the skills they will ask you? Tech 2 and managerial. Okay, so watch till end of the video. I will share you what are the skills are required. Okay, and you can add these skills in your GitHub profile and your resume as well if you are ready for the Java developer here, guys. Okay, even we started one live batch training as well recently on the May 1st. I will show you where you can enroll, what are the skills I'm teaching you, everything I will explain you guys. Okay, now coming to the first skill called core Java developer skills. If you know only core Java, is it sufficient for getting a job? No, not at all here. Okay, we'll discuss all these points. What are the skills required? What are the topics it is included? I will add you first job ready skills, guys. Okay, now first one called core Java developer skills, second frameworks, okay, and tools and database skills, design patterns, project and deployment skills, DevOps and monitoring tools, testing skills, front end. If you want to become a UI developer, then front end, and soft skills and interview readiness. If you see here, these skills they are divided into mostly 3 rounds, guys. In Tech 1, only core Java. That's it. In Tech 2, it will be covered as part of these things, guys. As part of tech 3 or managerial round, they will ask you about the project, they will ask you about the deployment, what which cloud you have a knowledge, how you are handling your team. The remaining skills will come under tech 3 or managerial round here. In MNC companies, they will not ask you all the skills. Why? Because they hardly conduct 1 round or 2 hours of session, and they will ask you each one point from every skill as well. Okay, now let me come to here. First, core Java. In core Java, huge number of concepts you have, right? But you have enough time you don't have, right? Then how you can do this activity? Means if you take as a core Java, in core Java we have a oops concepts, collections, exception handling, generics. These are the minimum fundamental basics you should be aware. Even if you are learning the Spring Boot also, you should be aware these basics as well. So, if you come to the OOPS concepts like polymorphism, inheritance, interface, and abstraction, collections, list, set, and map, exception handling, how to create a custom exception, try block, catch block, throw and throws keyword, and finally, normal generics. Coming to Java 8, Lambda expressions, stream API. These are the sufficient when you are attending an interview, guys. Java programming best practices, solid principles you should be aware, and as well as couple of of design patterns, singleton, factory, and builder as well. Exception handling and multi-threading, how to create a thread, how many ways you can create a thread. Multi-threading and concurrency, basic knowledge is sufficient. In interview also they will ask you a question, do you know threading? You can say just I am aware, not yet implemented in my project. That way you can explain interview room as well, guys. These are the core Java developer skills here. Okay, now coming to the second, framework and tools. Okay, now spring boot first, REST API development you should be aware. Then coming to database, spring data JPA, and spring security is the mandatory, how you can implement security for your projects, like JWT authentication, why it is a popular, and how you can handle exception handling, logging, and DTO. Centralized logging, how to maintain in Spring Boot. Centralized, I mean, security, how you can provide for microservices development, event driven microservices, hibernate ORM concepts like one to one, one to many, many to one annotations, and one of the tool called Maven tool, dependency management, you should be aware. Apart from core Java, 90% we are covering all these frameworks and tools. Batch recently we started on the 1st May, guys. If you want to know course details, visit this website javaexpressacademy.com. Click on the courses tab. Here the live sessions we started here, guys. Java real time project, where we are including Spring Boot and microservices, cloud, DevOps tools, Jenkins, Kubernetes, and tools as well. If you want to know detailed course information, come down. Here we have sessions called watch one. See, complete course introduction I explained here, day one here, guys. Just you need to watch about day one, day two, day three. Okay, if you want to reach out to our admin team to enroll, in the bottom you have a contact number. See, this is our contact number, guys. If you are interested, you can enroll this course as well. Okay, these are the frameworks and tools we have. And coming to database skills, SQL and NoSQL. One RDBMS, one no RDBMS means NoSQL, like MongoDB and MySQL. As part of my training, we are taking care about MySQL and MongoDB as well. Redis is optional. If you are aware, then it will be a fine, guys. This is about the database skills here. Now, coming to project and deployment, at least as part of your training, you should do one real-time Java project, like a e-commerce project, banking application, employee management, blog APIs. At least one project you should be able to do as well, guys. Okay. Okay, once as part of your managerial round, definitely they will ask you how you deployed your project. If you say yes, you should able to explain how you are doing, what are the configurations are required. So whether you are, if you visit manager 3 round, I mean say managerial round means, you need, based on your answers it will be decide whether you are selected or not. Every question you should answer. Okay, in managerial round here, guys, basically how you are doing deployment, you should be aware. Even if you are not part of your deployment, you should be aware as a programmer as well. So those all the things we are taking care. How you can containerize applications, CI/CD basics, Jenkins or GitHub. We are going for Jenkins, and by plus AWS services like EC2, RDS, and EKS we are going to use. At least if you don't know complete cloud knowledge, few services you should able to explain why we need. You should able to explain interview room as well. So regarding as part of my training, we are taking care about e-commerce application, dockerizing application, Jenkins, EC2, RDS, and EKS. These three combination we are going to deploy our application as well. The live project going to start next week. Now fundamentals are going on in this live started batch, guys. If you're already aware, then it's good, guys. Okay, now coming to DevOps, you should be aware Jenkins, Git, Postman, and Swagger. As part of your testing you will be aware, so that's okay. How, what is Jenkins, what is Jenkins pipeline, CI/CD pipeline, how to write, how many ways you can create, how Jenkins is working, fundamental things. And to monitor your tools are centralized logging, ELK stack, and Prometheus and Grafana. Centralized logging also by EFK guys. Okay, Kibana like Logstash and Kibana, and Prometheus and Grafana to monitor your application. Okay, how your team is monitoring your application is working or not. That is about DevOps and monitoring tools. You no need to be expert in all the areas, guys. Okay, now unit testing. You are developing the project means without unit testing there is no project at all. So you should be aware how to write Mockito unit testing for your application as well. That is about testing skills. If you are backend developer and you want to learn about a UI, you can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. And now I recommend to go for React JS. Java level, developer level, you should be aware how to make API call from React JS to Spring. It's mandatory. You should be aware, guys. In interview room also, if they ask, I am aware in React JS how we can make API calls. Even we are planning to add this module in the current what batch started. But if you want to know complete UI, if you want to know the complete UI, here no live sessions for the React. If you click on the courses tab, see UI full stack mastery, pre-recorded sessions, the last batch. Now complete skills: React, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, big basket application, e-commerce page design, home page design, how you can handle with the tokens, everything. We are building an application. Okay, all the sessions are available. Node.js also we included, React videos, JavaScript, and HTML and Bootstrap, guys. If you want to Java developer to UI also you want to learn, this is the best course for you guys. Okay, that is about the front end. And soft skills and interview readiness. Your resume, you need to be prepared. What are the skills you be aware? And problem solving, day to day, at least one or two problems you need to learn by yourself. Data structures, basic to medium level, communication and team collaboration, resume building, and GitHub profile with projects. You need to keep your projects into GitHub as well. As part of the interview readiness, I will explain you all these things, guys. Okay, if you are interested, whatever the batch is started on the first page, go ahead and enroll. Ping in the WhatsApp for the more details, guys. Okay, thank you for watching. If any questions, drop a message in this WhatsApp number. Just I'm highlighting to you guys one more time. So this is our contact number. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.